Let me show you how the new AromaTru Waterless Essential Oil Diffuser, which is even programmable by an app or not, how it works. Here's the AromaTru, and you can see that underneath this hood, there are 4 different bottles of essential oils, and you can program this manually by turning on each station on its own. You can tell it to diffuse for 5, 10, 15, or 20 seconds, diffuse every 5, 10, 30, and 60 seconds. So with these 2 things, you can control how intense your smell is. And then on the other side, you can tell it how long total you want it to diffuse. This diffuser does not use water at all, which I love because it's no mess, very simple cleanup, and there's no chance for mold growth. And don't even tell me that with the right essential oils you don't get mold, because trust me, I'm a certified holistic aromatherapist with the highest quality oils there are. And if you forget about your diffuser for too long, you can get mold in there. As I said, you can just get the basic diffuser through AromaTru, and by the way, they are on sale for a spring sale along with their essential oils. Amazing. But if you're a little more tech savvy and you want to be able to create your own schedules, your own blends, you can actually use an app with this. You name your diffuser, mine is called Helene, and then you can do different blends with it. And what's really cool, I'll show you. If you get the AromaTru essential oils, the diffuser actually recognizes those because there's a smart chip in the bottle. And so it will tell you which essential oils you have in there. If you click on there, then it'll tell you more about that essential oil and what it does. And then with this, you can create a different blend, different schedules. You can tell it how long to diffuse for, and you can actually have it go for much longer through the app than you can just doing it manually. Here I've created a blend with the 3 essential oils that I have in there right now for the afternoon for work days for focus. And I can tell it here how often to diffuse, how frequently to diffuse. And now I'm telling Helene that every weekday afternoon, I want her to play the focus blend with those 3 essential oils to help get me through the end of my workday. You can also shop right through the app, so if you need to reorder any essential oils, you want to order different ones, you can do that right there. And when you click on the essential oil, it gives you the whole description, how to use it, any information that you would need to know about it. They have 41 different certified organic essential oils that all happen to be 30% off with the spring sale, so it's an amazing time to stock up, and these have become my favorite essential oils. You can find a link for the diffuser and the oils you know where. Follow for more.